Many customers do not know how to choose a super high quality and low cost trucks. Today we introduce one. This sales champion. The used HOWO 371 tractor truck. The original single truck engine, supplying you super power. Director injection. Euro 2 to Euro 5. This truck we have two models. For this one is a CNG truck, the CNG model, and we also have the diesel truck. So all the tires will be brand new tires for you, which can supply you the super grip. Equipped with the brand new cab. Sitting in the new cab, you cannot feel it's a reused truck.